These are the WORKPRO 2000 Lumen LED Work Light. These things are great for anyone who does work outside. They come with a handle on the back here so you can carry them around, or you can use it as a stand, 180-degree movement. So you can always get it supported up against whatever you need. You can support it up against the wall, you want to stand up like that. On the back here, you have 4 really strong magnets, so you can put it onto something that's magnetic and hold it in place if you can't use the stand. You have the power on button here. Simply hold that down, light will turn on, and then press this to cycle between the brightest setting, the next setting down, the dullest setting, and then the flashing setting. Press it again to turn it off. At any point with the light on, you just hold the button down and it will turn off. The lights come with a protective cover on the back to stop any dirt or water or debris getting into the charging port. You have a USB-C on the top for charging, and I really like this one on the bottom here. This is a USB port, so you can then charge other devices with the battery built into this light. Really bright, really easy to use, and the fact it comes in a pack of 2, you can always have one that's charged and maybe one that's needing to be charged. Great light being put off by these, and because they're so slim, they can allow you to get into areas you might not be able to get a larger LED work light into. They're really light, so you can carry them around. And the fact that you can stick them to things via magnets, I really like that. Nice and compact. If you're looking for a good quality work light for outdoor activities or just to have it in an emergency in case you lose power, I'd highly recommend you get a set of these WORKPRO 2000 Lumen LED work lights. You won't be disappointed.